Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see about Threat Explorer and real-time detections in Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Well, Microsoft 365 organizations that have Microsoft Defender for Office 365 included in their subscription or purchased as an add-on have Explorer, also known as Threat Explorer or real-time detections. These features are powerful near real-time reporting tools that have helped security operations teams investigate and respond to threats. So I will quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I am logged on to the portal, and under email and collaboration you will see Explorer tab. I don't have any data because I have the demo environment, but depending upon your subscription, Threat Explorer or real-time detection is available in the email and collaboration section in the Microsoft Defender portal, which is security.microsoft.com. Your real-time detection is available in Defender for Office 365 Plan 1. And Threat Explorer is available in Defender for Office 365 Plan 2. Threat Explorer contains the same information and capabilities as real-time detection, but there are some additional features. They have more views, more property filtering options, more actions are available. Now, the permissions and licensing for Threat Explorer and real-time detections. If you are leveraging Microsoft Defender XDR Unified Role-Based Access Control, make sure that Defender for Office 365 permissions is set to active, which will affect the Defender portal only, not the PowerShell. And if you need full access, then you need membership in the Security Administrator role group. Okay, then there are some different permissions: purview and download message permissions, move message in and delete message from mailbox permissions. Then you have read-only access as well. Then there are some Microsoft Entra permissions, because membership these roles gives user the required permissions and permissions for other features in Microsoft 365. If you need full access, you will go with global admin or security administrator roles. So there are some key elements that Threat Explorer and real-time detection contains. They have the views. Now you will see a view tab at the top of the page that organizes detections by that threat. You would see you have a malware, phish, campaigns, content malware, URL clicks. Okay. Now these views are described in detail on the Microsoft documentation, including the differences between Threat Explorer and real-time detection. You also have date and time filters here. Okay. It goes up to 30 days, not beyond that. You have property filters, which is queries, right here. Which you can add the sender address or use these many options. And then you can use these as well. Same way you can look for campaigns, content malware, URL clicks. Then you have each view, the different views. You gotta have chart view or a list view. Now each view contains a visual aggregate representation of the filtered or unfiltered data. Then when you will add the conditions and you click on refresh, you will have the details area here. You will have the details as well, wherein the details area for a view typically shows a table that contains the filtered or unfiltered data. that can be exported. And when you will set the property filters here, you will have an all email view in Threat Explorer. The view will show you malicious and non-malicious email which are identified phishing or malware, email identified as spam or bulk, email identified with no threats as well. And these are the filterable properties. I'm sorry, here, all email. These are the filterable properties: sender address, recipient, sender domain, recipient domain, and all the other properties that you can click and then gather as many emails or as much as information you want. Now there are different options. You can change the pivot for the chart in the all email view in the Threat Explorer. You can have a delivery action chart pivot in all the email view in the Threat Explorer, and all the different whatever options you see here, you can have a chart pivot for all of these options. And as and when you click on an email which you get after you set all the filters here, when you will select the subject value of an entry in the table, all an email details flyout opens. This details flyout is known as the email summary panel and contains standardized summary information that's also available on the email entity page of the message. You can take further actions. You can open email entity, you can view header, or you can download email, you can view email in Explorer, or click on Go Hunt to do the hunting process. Make sure that you have a preview role in email and collaboration permissions, because email preview and download email actions require the preview role to be enabled. Alright, and if you need more information about it, you can try and navigate through all the other options. You can use Threat Explorer to collect email details on the email entity page. You can find and investigate malicious email that was delivered. You can view malicious files detected in SharePoint Online, OneDrive, and Microsoft Teams. You can have the threat protection status report as well. So these are all the things that you can do. Now, I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.